Hello everyone, this is Gigi from 𝗀𝗏𝗃 Life, and I have prepared an unboxing video for you guys. And it's a Chanel item, as you can see. It came with a beautiful packaging as usual with a camellia flower. And I will tell you more about the item once we do the unboxing. Let's check it out. So pretty. Ooh. So it came with these care booklet. And then it comes with this very pretty velvety dust bag. Can you guys guess what it is? From this bag, you could kind of tell the size, you could kind of tell what item it is. So it is a small, we consider handbag, but Chanel considers it SLG. This is okay. Before I reveal the item, I want to say this is a very, very, very difficult to find item. It's definitely a waitlisted item. I think the last time I checked, the wait list was like a year or two. It depends. I'm still on the wait list. I'm still on the wait list actually from 2 years ago. But and as you guys may know, I started doing luxury personal shopping. So I was trying to find this item for one of my clients, and I actually got a silver one, which I already sold. And this item will be up for sale. It's a very, I'll tell you more the detail, I guess, but this is a very classic and I would say must-have item for any Chanel lovers, handbag lovers. It's a very, it's just a very iconic, I guess a lot of people consider it a starter piece because it's kind of more on the, how do I say this? I can't say affordable because Chanel, everything's not cheap in Chanel. So, but I would say this is kind of more like the entry level for most people who want to kind of start checking, testing the water with Chanel. So it's a very sought after item. I think people who love Chanel would know that. Alrighty, I think with this much explanation, a lot of you might kind of know what this is. Here it is, ta-da! So this is the Chanel Classic Wallet on Chain and the black caviar with the gold hardware. This is like the most classic color combo you can have. I would say it's very, very, it's definitely the most sought after combo. And I'm very, very excited to have this in my collection. And well, actually, this item will be up for sale. So I just want to let you guys know. So this will be the item you're getting because I just did the unboxing. And you can see that the protective sticker is still intact. And it comes with the Mona Lisa pocket in the back. So very cute. And then let's open it up. Okay, so it's the burgundy interior with the gold strap. Very, very pretty. Man, this item was really hard to get. I mean, I think in US, you just have to be on the wait list. I actually traveled, I got this in Europe. So whoever buys this, I will give you a copy of the receipt with the information cropped out. And here's the authenticity card. It's a 24 series. Ooh, sorry. Right here. And then, so here you go. Check it out. So this item is made in Italy. Here, let me see, make sure you can see it. Ooh. And it comes with a pocket here. And a lot of you might know this pocket is really unique. So you can actually go all the way down to the back. So go back to like down here. So it's really cool. You can hide things in there. And then it has another, pocket. I mean, sorry, another zipper compartment here, a slip pocket here, and also 6 card slots in the back. This is a very handy bag. I think a lot of you might know you can wear this a lot of different ways. Sorry, let me move it like this. So you can either tuck the chain inside, or you could shorten it like this. So this chain is kind of long. I think it's about like 20. I'll put the description down in the I'll put the detailed description in the description box down below to let you guys know like the full measurements and everything. So you can do it like, wear it like so, like normally. Okay, and then of course you can wrap it up like this. So it's kind of pretty. It has like chains sticking out like this, and it'll shorten the bag. So it's a really nice way to wear it. I think this is one of the most versatile bags Chanel has for sure. And then of course you could just tuck the chain inside like this and just wear it as a clutch. So it's definitely a very, very handy bag. It's a must-have. I already have how many? I have like 3 walks right now. So wait, yeah, 3, and I might be adding more. So I definitely recommend a walk. I think the wallet on chain and the Chanel mini flaps are my favorite. Of course, Chanel mini flap, as you guys know, it's like my most favorite. So, oh, and actually I have a comparison just really quick. So I have the this one is my personal collection. So I have the wallet on chain and the boy style over here. So just to let you see it, like comparison a little bit. So the difference is the boy one does not have a pocket in the back, and some people really like the pocket, and I personally really like it. I used to not use it, but because in London they have the I can't think of it, the tube. So I would put the tube card in here. Just slid in the back, and it's really easy. You don't even have to go in and out. So I think if you have like these little cards, you could put it here. So a lot of people find this Mona Lisa smile pocket very handy, but this is just like a miniature version of the boy bag, right? So it just doesn't have a pocket, but I still love it. This is my personal collection. I mean, in my personal collection. Alrighty. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please follow me on Instagram if you haven't already at 𝗀𝗏𝗃𝗏, and also subscribe and comment down below if you guys have any questions. And again, if you guys have any inquiries, if you want me to look for any items for you, please feel free to message me on Instagram or YouTube, or email me at 𝗀𝗏𝗃𝗏. Please email me at 𝗀𝗏𝗃𝗏@gmail.com. Alrighty, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.